Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to do a 48-hour sale. I think I'm going to change a little bit about how I'm going to do things with my business. So, the things that are up right now, um, and I have quite a few things I need to add. I am going to add those real quick, and then the people that comment on the post or either go and sign up for the emails at craftytumblertalesllc.com. I do not spam. If you sign up for the emails, I will send you the code for the 40% off sale. Also, if you want to do a custom order, which means your picture, your image, maybe your children, your pets, whatever, your name, different things like that, I will do 30% off for this 48-hour sale for the custom work. Okay, so you email me at craftytumblertales@gmail.com. I will leave that in the comments so that you will know to email me your image, and that will be 30% off. Also, I have several types of cups that are not listed. All of the things that will be in this sale are um, hog stainless steel depot, hog depot. Everybody calls it something different. Tumblers. Okay. So I have different sizes. I have 30 ounce, 40 ounce, 25 ounce, the 20s. I have different shapes and sizes and colors. So if you guys want something like that, you can message me and ask me to see the other cups that I have. If you're interested in something that's not posted, I have glass and stainless steel. Pretty much any of those you can think of. I have a few UFDTFs that could go on them, and then I can do any kind of sublimation. So it would be sublimation if it was your family pictures and what have you. So those would be 30% off. And I think what I'm going to do is post the DTFs separately so that if you want a particular DTF on a particular shirt, rather than me just pressing a bunch of shirts and hoping that you get what you want, because maybe you wanted that decal on a different size shirt, I'm going to let you pick your decal. So I'm going to post them separately so that you can get the right shirt and the right decal on that shirt. Okay. So because I have different colors, of course, and I have V-neck and round neck and things like that. So please read the comments of whether the shirts run a little small or whether they're true to size. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments or email me at thecraftytumblertales@gmail.com. I will leave these things linked in the bottom. I also posted on the community page. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I hope you enjoy the sale. Thanks. Have a great day.